Hello, this is Amanda from MultiSoft Corporation, your MLM solutions provider. Today I'm going to go over with you how to close a commission period. I'm logged into an admin account, and to get here I went to Plans and Calculate Commissions. You can close a commission the exact same way in the binary, matrix, and unilevel systems. The most important thing to remember before closing a commission period is to calculate commissions. So I'm going to do that right now. To calculate commissions, you click on Calculate Commissions. You'll see a pop-up come that says, "Congratulations, commissions calculated completed," and then you can go ahead and view the commissions. Depending on how much commissions you have determines the length of time that it takes to calculate. And then it'll say commissions calculations successfully completed. It'll give you the date and the timestamp so you'll know when the last time you calculated commissions was. So that's the most important thing. Never ever close a period without first calculating the commissions. Now, another thing to remember when you're closing a period is the start period and the finish period. You cannot close a commission period before the finish period. It will not let you close it before that date. And the next thing to do is you want to check your commissions. You want to go ahead and click on the period ID. You want to go through all of the people who earn commissions and look at all the ranks, make sure they're correct, go through any kind of testing that you would like before you close the commissions. And once you're happy with that, you can go ahead and close the commissions. So to close a period, you're just going to click on Close Period. Then you'll see a pop-up. You need to go ahead and agree, go through and read each one of these statements and check that you understand them. Once you get to the last one, you'll see the I agree. You're going to go ahead and click I agree. You're going to see this statement, "Commissions from last period are closed." Click Calculate Commissions to run period. So you can see now that the status is closed. So now if I want to run the next period, I'm going to click on Calculate Commissions again, and this is going to open my next period. You'll see the commissions calculations in process. And then again, just click on the View Commissions button. And now you can see I have my next period open. Here's the start period and the finish date. And then if you ever do need to reopen a closed commissions, you can find more videos about how to do that, and it's in the reopen period as long as it hasn't been funded. Please share this webinar training with your company administrators and support team in order to enhance the services provided to your customers and distributors. We appreciate your feedback and input. Please let us know if this helped and how we can improve supporting you. If you have any questions about this or any other trainings, would like to schedule one-on-one training with one of our CSRs, or would like to speak with a MultiSoft account executive, please call us at 1-239-945-6433 or submit a help desk ticket request at helpdesk.marketpowerpro.com.